Start by logging into your account with your credentials. Once you are in, click on the menu icon to open the dashboard. Click on Add Component to begin building your custom dashboard. Next, click on Display, then select the Count option. After selecting Count, click Save to add it to your dashboard. Now, open the menu again and click on Edit to Customize. Click on Select Component, choose Overdue, and then hit Save. You'll see a message, Component added successfully. To rename it, click Edit again, go to Select Component, choose Overdue again, and enter a new component name. Then, click Save and once again, you'll see, Component added successfully. You can repeat the same steps to add more components as needed. And that's it. Your custom dashboard has been created successfully.